Welcome to MailRush, your cold email software and outreach tool. Before getting started, you will need to do a quick setup, which we will talk about in this short video. First, MailRush requires you to have your own domain and domain email address. Then you need to integrate your domain with MailRush. The first time you log into MailRush, you will be greeted by this welcome pop-up window. Go to the blue button for DNS authentication details. Add the following DNS records to your domain name. You may click on the drop-down arrow to find a list of the most popular providers. Select yours, and the required records will be shown. It's as simple as copying and pasting them into your DNS manager. Once you've done that, validate the DNS records by clicking here. On the right hand of your screen under Status, you should see the word Pass in green. This shows that the DNS authentication requirement has been met. If you need support in this process, you may click on the Need Help button to book an onboarding session with one of our staff members to help you finish up setting the DNS.